Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're looking at a really interesting coin called ResearchCoin or RSC. So first of all, I will just directly go to the founder of the Research Hub or the Research Coin itself. It is none other than Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong. So because of that, the token has had, I would say, a pretty good success. At launch it did not do that well, as you can see here, like from November to like from for 1 year it was just trading around 47 and something like that, and after that it saw a massive rise. So all of that happened after November of 2023, and it has been doing pretty good ever since then. As you can see, it actually ended up hitting a new all-time high in Jan of this year, around 1.44, and as of now it has started to go up again, as you can see. So now if you don't know what it is basically uh, they have a platform called ResearchHub, which is this is how it looks like, where users can basically publish, review, criticize, and collaborate in the open. Uh, uh, as you can see here. Once they can also earn a coin called RSC. Once earned, RSC gives users ability to fund scientific research, request services, tip other users, and gain voting rights within the community decision making. So it is also a coin of the governance as well. Now they are solving a pretty big problem, I would say. This is a decentralized science, as you can see here. So as of now, the Coinbase is making a trend of listing different decentralized science projects that includes bio protocol as well as a research coin. So I would say that's pretty good, and I think the decentralized science, this niche especially, does really go up whenever there is an alt season. And as of now, we are in the alt season, and if we look at the research or RSC token, it basically started to go up from July 25th, and that happened because the Coinbase basically announced that they added the research or the RSC token to their roadmap, and after that, and like 14 hours ago, they actually ended up listing the coin. So all of this price action happened because of the Coinbase listing, and it is going up. So I would say that's pretty good. And beside that, there was also another listing from BSE exchange, I believe. So there have been lately a lot of exchange listings for this coin itself. So I would say that's pretty good for the coin in general. Now if we talk about the token itself, as I said, it can be used for various things. So for now, if we just look at its token distribution, it has a max supply of 1 billion, out of which 10% goes to the new employees, 10% to the founders. So these founders are both of these. After that, we have team getting around 20%, and this is the team, as you can see here. And 60% goes to the community. So I would say there are no investors, so that's pretty good one. So that means the team may take the profit, but I don't think that the founder actually need the founder could actually sell the coin, because they are most likely bullish on it, so they are most likely holding it. But besides that, I think the team could actually take the profit, and it can be seen here because there was most likely a pretty big sell pressure from 1.5 to as low as 20 cents. So I think the selling happened, and it is unclear whether the team sold or whoever sold, they took a pretty hefty profit, as you can see here. Now beside that, if we look at the emission schedule, the token basically for the team, for the founders, there is a variable, you can say, vesting schedule. So like 48 to 96 months, and for the community it's like 5% per year, and 4% distributed through the Research Hub platform, and 1% to the foundation, and it will continue to do so like in 12 years. So I would say that's pretty good. And after that, there is a new employees variable like 48 months, and there is also a Research Hub Inc., which doesn't show anything at all. Now overall, I would say it has a fairly good tokenomics, and the supply will most likely increase slowly, and we won't see that much sell pressure from the team or from the foundation. But I think there are traders who are basically trading the coin, as you can see here. So overall, um, as of now, the token I think has basically given a pretty good idea. Even if, let's just say that if the market does go down, I think this zone is a buy zone for this coin. So like from 38 cent to 20 cent is a must accumulation zone. So whenever the coin goes around this zone, the token tends to perform really well. So even if it did here, it actually ended up going up here. So let's say that we see a massive crash. I think the price will most likely go down as low as 38 cent to 20 cent. After that, the coin will most likely recover, and I think that is the best buy zone for the coin. But if you are holding this or if you're planning to buy this coin as of now, what should you do? So as of now, I think the coin seems to be pretty bullish, because again we are in the earth season, and if before the peak of the earth season, I think this coin could actually go at least as high as $1 or even slightly higher than that, because when it actually ended up hitting new all-time high, the listing was not that high for this coin, and as of now it's available on Coinbase and some other exchanges. So let's say that if somehow Binance Alpha announces the listing for this coin, and that is possible, the reason being is that they just opened a bridge to the base network, and if that happens, I think the coin can go as high as its all-time high, because the market cap is just too low. It's like 84 million, and compared to its all-time high, which is around 143, I think it is a possibility that it can do 2x from here if we see more listings. Overall, I think as of now, what I would give this coin, let's see, let me try to see where it can go. As of now, I think we do have pretty good resistance. If we just go here, the first possible resistance could be around this zone, around $1 to like 1.13, and as of now it has started to go up, but it does need to go above this zone as well. So if we just look here, it is around its resistance, and it did just break the resistance itself, as you can see, and if it closes above like 74 cent, I think it can go as high as $1. If not, it will most likely go down, and if it breaks like 64 cent, we will most likely go as low as 57. After that, it can start to go up. But overall, if you are looking at this coin in the long term, I think the best entry for this coin is going to be around 38 to 20 cent, and as of now, I think it has the potential to at least go as high as $1 or even 1.14. And if it sees more listings, it could actually make a new all-time high, because this niche, especially decentralized science, does take off, and it does tends to do really well whenever there's a bull run. And if we look at its key stats, this is how it looks like. So I'll just show you the max market cap of the decentralized science in just a second. So this is how it looks like. So whenever there is an season, this niche tends to do really well. So at some point it had a market cap of like 1.2 billion. So I'd say that's pretty good. And I think if the market does go up, and if we do see a season, like all of the earths start to go up, I think this niche does have a pretty high potential, and maybe RSC could actually hit a new all-time high. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching. But as of now, it does need to break above around 75 cent if it wants to go higher.